Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It is 2D. I am making another slow cooker video. Today I'm doing some honey garlic pork chops in the slow cooker, and these are my ingredients. So I have my pork loin. I just took it out of the package and rinsed it, and I'm going to slice it into thin chops because I don't have pork chops, so I'm using this for my pork chops. So I got them all cut nice and thin. And we're just going to go ahead and place these right on in the slow cooker. So these are about how thick I got them, so you can tell they're not too thin, just right. I don't want it shredded, so that's why I cut them into strips and didn't put the pork loin in whole. I went ahead and seasoned it into with salt and pepper, and I'm going with about a teaspoon or two of onion powder and a teaspoon or two of garlic powder. This is a lot of pork chops. I think this was about a 5-pound pork loin, so it is a good amount of meat. We're gonna go ahead and mix in that salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. You can go ahead and use your hands for this if you want. For some reason I did not want to touch the meat today, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some ginger paste. Now if you don't have ginger paste, you can use the ground ginger. I actually like that better because it's easier to keep on hand because it does last a lot longer. So if you have that, that's fine, or you can use fresh ginger, whatever you have. And then I'm doing some soy sauce. Whatever soy sauce you prefer is what you can use. I'm putting in about 1/4 of a cup to a half a cup of soy sauce in these pork chops. And then of course we can't have honey garlic pork chops without honey. However, if you don't have honey, you can just go ahead and use like regular sugar or brown sugar or something like that. But I'm going in with about a half a cup of honey, and yes, I'm all eyeballing it, until I say, you know what, this looks about right. After that, we got some garlic. I'm a garlic lover. There's never enough garlic for me, so I have about 3 to 4 cloves. You can add more or less if you want. The good thing about when you make food yourself, you can always adjust things and use what you have, or make it to your liking. And I know this ingredient is weird, but yes, about 1/4 of a cup of ketchup right on in there, and then we're just gonna get it all mixed up. Don't knock it till you try it, you guys. Definitely try it. But get it all mixed up, and then we're just gonna pop the lid on just like that, really easy, on high for 4 hours, or cook it on low for 8 hours. I typically do high for 4 hours myself, and this is what it looks like after being on high for 4 hours. Like I said, I didn't want shredded pork. I wanted more of like a pork chop feel, so you definitely need to be careful when taking these out, because they're definitely tender. They can easily just fall apart. They're really soft. Amazing how the sauce smells. So we want our sauce to be thicker and not watery, so we're gonna make a cornstarch slurry. I'm using half a cup of cold water. You have to use cold, you can't use hot. And about 4 teaspoons of cornstarch. You could have this if you want. I was just going with my little heart's desire here, and it worked out just great. So I'm just going to get this all combined and mixed up and pour it right over our pork chops. So like I said, these pork chops are so tender, so I'm going to be very gentle with mixing in this cornstarch slurry. This will start thickening almost instantly once you put that cornstarch slurry in. So you can cover it with the lid and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes just to let it all go in there, and just do its thing, and then serve it right up. Everything is ready. I served it with some rice and some steamed broccoli. It was a hit. My family absolutely loved it. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a try. If it sounds good or looks good to you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.